Diei primo mensis Julii calendae Julii nomen est. Okay, now a difficult question. Katerina, qui est casus diei primo?
Dativus? Yes.
Optime. Nice job. I thought that was going to be difficult, but you hit it out of the park. Dativus. Okay, qualis dativus est, Katerina?
Singularis?
No, boo, boo. I was
Oh.
clapping, but I
Okay,
said, what
okay.
kind of dative is it? Not what number is it?
Sorry.
Okay.
Is it the dative of possessive?
Yes, it is. Dativus possessivus. Right. So to the first day, right, the month of July, right, the name is the calends of July, right? So calenda Julii. Is est dies ani medios. This is, right, this day is the middle one of the year. It says dies ani medios. Okay. Facile est. This is quite easy. Are there any questions on that paragraph?
I still have a question.
Okay.
My question, so we've got dies mensis primus calendae nominatur.
That's right.
Using the passive.
Right.
And then nomen est.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because in the first sentence, aren't we saying the first day of the year is called the calenda? The first
day of the month is called the calends. That's correct.
Calends. So why is it used passive in the first sentence and then nomen est?
Oh, because there's more than one way in Latin to express different ideas of the same idea, right?
Okay.
That's why. So the name, right, we can say it is named nominatur, or we can say the first day of the month of July has the name, the calends of July. Don't we do that in English? If you are introducing yourself to someone you've never met, you might say, my name is Katie. Or you can say, when someone says, hey, what's your name? Call me Dr. Jackson, right? Why isn't it the same way every time? Because there are different ways to say a very similar idea. That's why.
So this is just sort of teaching and introducing that idea of two ways to communicate that.
That's right. And of course, there are many, many, many different ways to say things. The Renaissance scholar Erasmus, Desiderius Erasmus Roterodamus from Rotterdam, he wrote a work called De Copia, which is something like how to overdo it, maybe. And he cataloged 150 ways to sign your name to a letter. 150 ways in Latin to say goodbye in a letter, right? Okay. Why? Because human communication is so various. There's so much room for interest and charm and such. Okay. Dies tertius decamus post, Lauren, recites, queso?
Dies tertius decamus post calendas idus nominator. Idus Januarii dies tertius decamus est post calendas Januarios. Item idus Februarii dicitur dies tertius decamus mensus Februarii.
Yes, mensis Februarii.
Mensis Februarii. Sed idus Martii dies est quintus decamus mensis Martii nam mense Martio item Maio Julio Octobri idus non dies tertius decamus sed quintus decamus post calendas est.
Yes, calendas est.
Calendas est.
Yes, so the vowel is short, but the syllable's long. If the vowel were long there, that E, we would say A, right? Like res. So we say but the stress still goes there because the syllable as a whole is long because there's two consonants, calendas.
Calendas.
Okay. Yes, dies nonus.
Dies nonus ante edus dicitur nonae. Nonae Januarii dies quintus Januarii, nonae Februarii, dies quintus Februarii, nonae Martii, dies septimus Martii, cetera.
Cateri, yes. Nicely done, nicely done. Okay,